Photosynthesis is a noun. Urdu tarjuma ज़ियाई तालीफ, the process by which green plants use sunlight to turn carbon dioxide and water into food. Pirouette is a noun. Urdu tarjuma अंगूठे के बल पर नाच, a spinning movement of the body made while balanced on the point of the toe or one foot. Physique is a noun. Urdu tarjuma जिस्मानी साख्त, a person's build. Plague is a noun. Urdu tarjuma bala, a dangerous illness that spreads very quickly. Polite is an adjective. Urdu tarjuma शाइस्ता, having good manners. Plateau is a noun. Urdu tarjuma सतह मर्तफा, a flat area of high land. Policy is a noun. Urdu tarjuma चालाकी, the plan of action of a person or group. Planetarium is a noun. Urdu tarjuma aflaq-numa, a domed building in which images of stars and planets are projected onto the ceiling.